In this video, I'm going to talk about that how can you create a measures table to keep all your measures in that table in Power BI. Let's go. All right, there are two broad ways of making a table. The first way is that you create a blank table and store all your measures in that. What's the way to do that? Let's take a look. So what I can do is I can go over to the modeling tab. In the modeling tab, I can make a new table and I can just call this table anything. Perhaps I can call this as calculations. I can write nothing after that. That ensures that you have a blank table and you're good to go. You can just drag and drop. So go over to the modeling tab. In the modeling tab, you can just go and select all the measures and you can just drag them over to the calculations and your calculations is going to have all the measures right here. That's one way. The other way is that you can also use the enter data option to be able to make a blank table using Power Query. So in the home tab, we have something like enter data. In the enter data, you can call this as your calcs table. There's no need of having anything right here. This can be blank. Click on load and a blank table is going to be loaded into your Power BI model. And then you can place all your calculations within that particular table right here. Now, if you would like to have a table called measures in Power BI, that is not possible because Power BI has the measures as a reserved name. But in case you would like to have it, here is how you can do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the home tab and make a new table. And in the new table, I'm going to write a very simple DAX calculation. And my DAX calculation is going to be something like this. I'm going to say something like a square bracket and write a space, and then I will say measures, 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 and then I will just initiate a curly bracket for a table, and then the table is absolutely going to be blank, so there is going to be nothing inside of the table. Once I do that, because of the starting space right here, this is going to allow, but the space is not going to be visible once you commit to this formula. You're going to see that we have the measures table displayed right here, but there is no space at the start. And now, in case you would want, you can take all of your measures right here and place that in the measures table, and this is going to be good to go. Before you go, don't forget to check out my courses on Power BI, and also do not forget to subscribe to my email list, which is where I share incredibly awesome videos that I create and a couple of other things around Power BI. I'm sure you'll enjoy that. See you around.